Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to fix the Fortnite Athena crash on PC using simple and safe fixes. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. So if you are facing this type of error, that is Fortnite game Athena, so you just have to simply try this first solution. In it, you will have to update your graphics driver. Sometimes the outdated GPU drivers are one of the most common causes for the Fortnite crashes. So if you are using NVIDIA, you need to open GeForce Experience or the NVIDIA application in your PC or laptop. Over here, you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on drivers. Here, click on the install option in the top right hand corner of the screen, and you can also click on this refresh icon in order to check for the updates. If you see any updates, simply click on the install button and install the application or the updates. Now, if you are using AMD, you can use Adrenaline software, and for Intel users, you can use the driver support assistance. After installing the update, you need to restart your PC and then you need to restart your Fortnite game again. Then you need to check whether the error is fixed or if it is still there. Now, if the error still persists, I would recommend you to switch to the DirectX 11. Now, some system crash on the DirectX 12 by default. So to switch to the DirectX 11 safely, you need to first of all press Windows plus R on your keyboard just like so. Once you see this type of pop-up in front of you, you will have to enter this command, that is notepad. After entering it, a blank page will be opened in front of you where you will have to simply paste this particular command, that is system settings preferred graphics API is equal to dx11. Then you need to save the files as gameusersettings.ini, then move it to the Fortnite configure folder inside this particular path. So this forces Fortnite to use DirectX without using Apex Launcher. Now, the background application sometimes can cause the problems, like if you are using Chrome, OBS, Discord, these types of antivirus softwares can cause the memory issues and crashes. So in order to fix that, you can simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key on your keyboard, or you can even just right click on the taskbar and click on the task manager option. Now, once you see this type of pop-up in front of you, you need to simply hover over to the left hand section and make sure that you are in the processes tab. Over here, you will see all of the programs that are available in your PC. These are enabled and disabled both. So you need to basically right click on that particular task which you want to end, and that particular task should be the one which is very heavy and it is using the space. For example, like the creative cloud helper, if I just click on it, you need to end the task, and this is going to basically free up the RAM and GPU for Fortnite to run it smoothly. So you can try some of these methods in order to fix this issue. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.